Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your career from React to Node.js using LinkedIn Learning, complete guide step by step clearly. To successfully transition your career from React to Node.js using LinkedIn Learning, begin by creating an account on LinkedIn Learning if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type Node.js in the search bar and press enter to find relevant courses. Filter the results by selecting courses from the drop-down menu to focus on comprehensive learning materials. Select a course that suits your current skill level and professional goals. Before enrolling, skim through the course description, objectives, and user reviews to ensure its relevance. Once you've found a suitable course, click on the Enroll Now button to start your learning journey. As you progress through the course, take detailed notes to help reinforce your understanding of Node.js concepts. Make sure to work on any practical exercises provided. These will help solidify your learning. After completing the course, revisit LinkedIn Learning to explore additional Node.js courses for more advanced topics. Consider following specific instructors whose teaching style resonates with you for future recommendations. Once you feel confident in your Node.js skills, update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your new expertise. Add relevant Node.js projects you've completed to your portfolio to showcase your practical experience. Engage with online communities dedicated to Node.js to network with industry professionals. Look for job postings that highlight Node.js skills to get a sense of the competencies required in the job market. Utilize LinkedIn's job search feature to find opportunities that align with your new skill set. Attend webinars or workshops related to Node.js to expand your knowledge and connect with professionals. Regularly check back on LinkedIn Learning for new courses or updates in Node.js to stay current. By actively learning and networking, you'll enhance your profile and readiness for a career shift to Node.js. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.